Hey guys, Percy Conley with calcity.ca. I'm going to be putting wheel spacers on my Beetle. So if we can see, the back tire is tucked in a little bit. The front fits a little more flush. But I have some ECS spacers and some longer bolts. And I'll talk a little bit about, we have 10 millimeter spacers for the front and then 17.5 for the backs. And I'll show you why they need to be like that in just a second when I get this, get the tire off this side. So these are the 10 millimeter spacers that I bought off of Marketplace. The bolt pattern's the same, lines up to the bolts, but this depth here, it bottoms out in the center of the hub, but we're still loose. No matter how much you bang on it, it's not going to fit. So 10 millimeter spacers do not fit on the back of Beetles. Even the ECS one, looks like the 10 millimeter will fit. But I got a 17.5 ECS one to space out the back a little bit. So these are the factory lug nuts, and literally there's not much meat left there. So the new aftermarket bolts are long enough to fit the threads. So yeah, I'll just pop this other one on and show you what it looks like. Actually, I'll show you on the back of the wheel with the spacer how much lug nuts are showing. So here's with the lug nut and the spacer and how much is going to actually go into the wheel, or into the rotor. So lots of meat there. There's the flush fitment with the 17.5 mil spacer. I think that's perfectly flat with the outside of the car compared to the other side where it's way in. Much better. There's the back one with a 17.5 mil spacer. There's the front with the 10 mil spacer.